To fix a Frigidaire freezer not getting cold enough, start by checking the power supply and ensuring the freezer is properly plugged in. Next, verify the temperature settings, as incorrect settings can prevent the freezer from reaching the desired temperature. Check the owner's manual for guidance on adjusting the temperature settings. Inspect the freezer's door seals for any signs of damage or wear, as a faulty seal can allow warm air to enter the freezer and prevent it from cooling properly. Check for blockages in the freezer's vents, such as ice buildup or stored items, as these can restrict airflow and reduce the freezer's cooling efficiency. Defrost the freezer if you notice a thick layer of ice or frost buildup on the walls or floor. This can be done by turning off the freezer and allowing it to thaw, or by using a defrost function if available. Check the freezer's condenser coils, usually located at the back or bottom of the unit, for dust or debris accumulation, as this can reduce the freezer's cooling performance. If the issue persists, check the freezer's compressor and fan for any signs of malfunction. Listen for unusual noises or vibrations, and verify that the fan is spinning properly. Consult the owner's manual or contact a professional if you are unsure about performing these checks. Regular maintenance can help prevent issues with your Frigidaire freezer. Clean the condenser coils every 6 months, and check the door seals for signs of wear. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue with your Frigidaire freezer not getting cold enough, ensuring your food stays fresh and safe to eat.